Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sky Bobby and you're watching Sky Bobby TV and you're in my kitchen. It is TGIF. It is Friday, my day off. I just got back from, where did I go? Oh, I was local. I did domestic. I went to Newark, New Jersey for an overnighter and I'm back here. And I thought I'd cook for the hubby today instead of going out on a Friday happy hour, which we always do every Friday. Guys, look at these steaks. I bought some porterhouse, which I already is marinating for tonight. This is like huge, almost like cowboy ribeyes, but they're porterhouse. And I think the difference between porterhouse and ribeye is you get the extra part of the filet mignon. So you're getting like a ribeye and a filet mignon. So let that marinate. So I definitely can't wait for that. And then I'm gonna have it with potatoes, red potatoes and white potatoes. Saute that with some onions and garlic. And I found some Irish butter. Yeah, Italian Irish garlic butter, which I'm gonna spread on some bread and put it into the potatoes. And the world famous San Francisco sourdough at Acme Bread at the Embarcadero in San Francisco. If you haven't had their bread, you haven't had bread. They break it fresh every day. It's so good. It is flying by. Next weekend is Halloween, which is my brother's birthday. He was born on Halloween. Happy birthday, brother. I remember he's 14 years younger than me, and I was so upset because I had the Incredible Hulk costume, I had the green paint, I had the little muscles, I had everything to be the Hulk, and my mom goes into labor and has my baby brother. I think I was mad at him for the first 5 years of his life, but I got over it. And it was the last year that we actually went trick-or-treating because all the scandals of people putting knives and stuff, and razor blades and the kids' candy, so my parents got kind of nervous about us going trick-or-treating, so they stopped that. So I don't think my brother ever experienced trick-or-treating. I remember as a kid, we used to go for hours and hours in the rich neighborhoods to get the big full-size candy bars, and we would get a big old pillow sack and just trick-or-treat all night. Oh, I miss those good old glory days. I have the old new kind of a product called green juice. If y'all have been following me for a while, you know I used to juice my vegetables, but it's a lot of work, a lot of cleaning, and just a lot. So someone had recommended Organic Fi, and it's a green juice. It has all the supplements of the green antioxidants like spirulina and it's vegan too, and dairy-free, soy-free, and gluten-free. Anyway, if you have tried this before, let me know in the description box what you guys think. The taste is like, but I can just put it in my protein shakes that I have in the morning before I work out. And try that. Went to our favorite wine place, and a winemaker recommended this 2013 Central Italian to go with the porterhouse. So I can't wait to open it up and let it breathe for an hour and taste it out. But yeah, so it's gonna be a good night for dinner tonight, so definitely come along with me, guys. See you guys in like a few. Oh, before dinner we decided to go out. This is Friday and do happy hour, even though I said I was gonna stay in and cook him dinner, but it's early. It's about 5 o'clock. I'm gonna cook dinner, but we're gonna go out and have a drink and celebrate
First floor.
life. First floor. So cleaned up for you guys. It's still our summer here, so I got the sleeveless on, looking fly. Let's get a back view. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. See you guys in the Castro. Bye, girl. Bye. Well, we got a little bit too happy and happy hour, and I was in no way to finish my dinner for tonight. The nice porterhouse. So we ended up just going to a Mexican restaurant. I'll cook the dinner tomorrow and I will post that for you guys, I promise. But right now we're having a nice burrito. Fancy, oh my God. And we're in the heart of the Mission District here in San Francisco. But I will cook the porterhouse tomorrow. Bye, girl. Bye.
The next day.
Well, I convinced him to go to the movies today, even though it's a beautiful day outside. He went to do an outdoor roof deck thing, but we're gonna go see the Joker. We're not really blockbuster people, but okay, I'll go see it. I'll see it, see what it's about, and then I'll bring you guys along with me. So, has anybody seen the movie? Let me know what you thought about the movie. It's kind of cool. We can just walk to the movie theater. I love San Francisco. Here I come. Here's the other half. He's trying to hide. Just got done seeing the Joker, and first word we came up with disturbing. I can see why they were having a little drama and issue about releasing the movie during these times. But I thought Joaquin did a good role as the Joker. Yeah, he did pretty good. I'm not a big Gotham kind of fan, but I think the cinematography and the score, even the score was pretty good. So I would give it a 3 out of 5 star Bobby rating. Kelly is giving it a 4 out of 5 star rating, so an average of 4-star rating. So go check it out.
That's an average of 3.5.
Is it 3.5? Well, 3.5, okay. Bye. We are safe at home, and it is now to cook dinner, so I thought I'd show you guys what I'm cooking. You already know I have the porterhouse, and I'm gonna do red and white potatoes, cut them all up, dash a little olive oil, put them in the oven to roast, and I'm gonna cook the porterhouse in a cast iron skillet. One of the cheapest, easiest way to cook steak, and these are huge steaks, so I do have 2. And one of the things I do is I put a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin, just to kind of coat the cast iron. And take a paper towel and wipe it up. You want to get the cast iron pretty hot before you use it. But I'm not going to cook it right away. I'm going to get the potatoes started first, and then I will get the porterhouse going. What do you say, husband? Are you ready for my dinner?
Yes.
Am I a good cook?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good answer, good answer. Holidays are coming. It's the holidays. I'm gonna have a nice garden salad, and I want to try this Italian garlic butter Golden Gate's own. I guess Golden Gate makes from San Francisco. He's not a big fan of garlic. His breath, he doesn't want to smell it very long, but you gonna have garlic today. You gonna learn today. He wanted to tell me that he does like garlic. He actually bought a garlic crusher, but years ago he didn't like garlic, so I guess he changed his mind. We all can change our minds. Anyway, I'm gonna be having a wine. We both were arguing over our red wine. I went and got a 2013 Central Italian, and he got one of our favorites, which was Sicily, right? No, this is the Sicilian one. So it's just the 2 of us, one for me, one for him. So I don't know how this dinner will turn out if we start sipping. I have to wait about a half hour for mine to actually breathe and all that good stuff. So we'll start with his. And that's it. I'll be back with you guys in a bit. So these are the potatoes. I had the red and white potatoes with dill, rosemary, and garlic butter, salt, pepper, and that's pretty much it. I'll cook in the oven for about 30 minutes to roast, and I will get started with my steak. cooking and cleaning. He's over there watching the World Series. But I made the salad, nice, easy, simple garden salad. We'll have over here are this is where we eating today. Giving thanks. Little decoration over there. And our salad dressing will be vinaigrette dressing, Italian, or feta dressing. Y'all can hear me, but it's time to get the meat ready. So I got the cast iron heating up now. I'm gonna get it as hot as possible without burning it so the flavor won't go onto the meat. But look how big. This really gives me one for just one of them. It's huge. Like this is my arm. That is like Africa. Crazy. That smells so bad. I can't wait to try this Merlot wine steak sauce that we got on our New York adventure in upstate New York to go with our porterhouse. I can't wait. We're gonna have a good dinner and y'all gonna watch it too, okay? Here we go with the all clad, by the way. That is a big steak. You can see the steak. Potatoes are done. Can y'all smell them? Yeah, we're about to chow down for about a week. That's what it is. He looks happy. It's big enough, huh? Anyway, I want to focus on my dinner. I thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel at SKYBOBBYTV. And my Instagram account at SKYBOBBYTV. And this is my restaurant, I guess. So I'm going to give it a star rating. And I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5-star Bobby rating. What are you going to give it?
7.
7 stars. Ting, 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 ting. Bye, girl. Bye.
It ain't my fault.